Chapter number 9. HTML-5 Designing. In HTML, all content within the body element is considered to be part of a section. Within the main section, defined by the body element, section limits are defined implicitly by correctly sequenced headings in the document outline. Section limits may also be defined explicitly by placing content within the tag header, tag note, tag section, tag article and tag footer elements demonstrated over the next few pages. HTML DOCTYPE Declaration. A DOCTYPE, document type, declaration appears at the top of our web page before all other elements. According to the HTML specification or standards, every HTML document requires a document type declaration to ensure that your pages are displayed the way they are intended to be displayed. The DOCTYPE declaration is usually the very first thing defined in an HTML document. However, the DOCTYPE declaration itself is not an HTML tag. The DOCTYPE for HTML5 is very short and case insensitive. DOCTYPE HTML. Header tag header. The header element represents a container for introductory content or a set of navigational links. A header element typically contains one or more heading elements H1 to H6, logo or icon, authorship information. You can have several header elements in one document. Navigation (NAV). The NAV tag defines a set of navigation links. The NAV tag represents a section of a page whose purpose is to provide navigation links either within the current document or to other documents. Common examples of navigation sections are menus, tables of contents, and indexes. Section tag. Section. The section tag is an element that defines a generic section in the document. This tag is typically used as a thematic grouping of content, such as chapters, headers, footers, or any other sections of the document. Article tag. Article. The article tag defines an independent self-contained content in a document, page, application or a site. The article tag content makes sense on its own. It is independent and complete from the other content shown on the page. This tag is generally used on forum post, blog post, news story, comment, etc. Footer tag. Footer. The footer tag is used to define a footer for a document or a section. It is generally used in the last of the document or section, bottom of the page. A footer element typically contains authorship and copyright information, contact information, sitemap, back to top links, related documents. You can have several footer elements in one document.